In a tough barbering market where training and experience are rare and haircut costs so little, what business strategy can help you stand out and grow your income? Guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Classic Barber. If today is your first time watching this channel, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our weekly updates. Now, listen to the question someone always asks me about, and I quote, as a barber in Africa, where the industry often lacks recognition, training, and financial rewards, how can you turn these challenges into opportunities for success? Now, my response first is believe in yourself. Start small, think big. Focus on delivering great service today while planning how to expand or improve in it. Be consistent. Consistency in your work builds trust, even if your tools or setup are simple. Network with other barbers, share knowledge and learn from those in similar situations to improve their craft and strategy. Believe in yourself even with low prices. Treat your services like they are worth a fortune. This mindset attracts loyal clients. Now, this is another question I really want to talk about, and I quote, if you are cutting for less than $1 in Africa with no formal training and little recognition, how can you build a thriving barbering business? Focus on speed and quality. Serve more clients by being fast, but still giving a great haircut. Use word of mouth marketing. Happy clients are your best advertisement. Ask them to tell their friends. Create a mobile service. If possible, go to clients' home or workplaces for convenience and charge slightly more for it. Lastly, save for better tools. Invest in high-quality clippers or product over time to improve their work. Guys, that's all we have for today. Thanks for checking this out. Now we'll see you in the next video.